8:10 a.m. on this Wednesday morning, December 10th, 2025. Getting ready to head on out. Not sure if it's raining out currently, but we have quite a lot of drippage coming off of the roof. I'm looking out at the bedroom window. I was thinking that I was seeing a cat out here, but in fact, we actually have the black fox squirrel, blackjack, that is out here at the feeding tree. There he is. We can see him through the screen meshing here. Yeah, piss poor quality recording, I know. But I'll be showing just a little bit more once I do venture out. And I'm getting ready to do that. And it sounds like the woods are quite alive this morning. So we'll see what else there is to be seen. Oh, it looks like, yeah, right up in here. So that's just what I'm actually getting at, is now the squirrels are coming up to the feeding tree as well. Thus being this tree here. So we'll go ahead and head on out and go from there. And we are right back, as I just have taken notice. Oh yeah, blue jays are starting to come in now. And where did she go? Anyways, Foxy is in this tree here someplace. I just scoped on that fox squirrel, but she is more grayish in color than her mate blackjack. Well, alright, we'll go ahead and head on out and see what we can see and who might come up, such as Blackjack. Where you at, buddy? There you are. Again, not that great of a recording here, but yeah. Oh, and now we've got one of the kittens out here that is on the prowl. Uh-oh. Hang on, Blackjack, I'm coming out. Oh, and oh, Rusty. There's Rusty out here too. Oh yeah. Oh, we got us a chase kicking off. Oh no, it's because Rusty's right here. He just spooked the other two squirrels. Like I said, active morning. We're gonna go ahead and head on out once again. Alrighty, it is 8:20 a.m. And you gotta be kidding me. Yeah, I thought I was seeing that. There we go. We have us a deer out here. Let's see how close I might be able to get. I'm kind of stalling a little bit as far as feeding the other animals, but she doesn't seem to be taking much notice of me right now. Oh yeah, now she has. She's looking in my direction. Oh. And I don't really want to spook her at all. This is our driveway right here. Yeah, she's watching me. And I say she just because don't know, it got a kind of a funny, oh, we got another one here, okay. Oh, I spooked him. But that's alright. Get them back out into the woods where they actually belong, right? But yeah, we've had warming in temperatures. We actually, all of the schools are closed in our area today. Which is actually, to me, kind of ridiculous, because back when I was going to school, these conditions would, no, there was no chance in hell that schools would be closed down due to weather factors beyond, you know, snow drifts covering the roads 4 foot in depth. You know, that would be the scenario that actually closed down the schools. And you know, we got slushy, icy conditions. We actually have a few deer out here that I'm seeing. There's 2 right here. We have another one over here that is kind of monitoring and standing guard. But I'm going to go ahead and leave them to do, well, I just have to keep readjusting the focusing to this camera. Yeah, we got, yeah, there's a few of them out here. Another one right here to where you can see its hindquarters. Wind's picking up. Yeah, we're supposed to be going for them, and it's spitting out here right now. Liquid precipitation, which is actually kind of making the snow that much more stickier, perfect for snowballs and snow forts and snowmen. So let's go ahead and reclaim our feeding stuff here. We'll head on up, get these animals taken care of, and I'm gonna kind of sneak up, although, yeah, okay, blue jays are out here still. And we got Milady coming out, as well as Muggsy. Hi guys, how we doing this morning? Ready to eat? Come on. All right, yeah, all right. Let them take the lead. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, man, I tell you what, these little slopes, it's the tiniest bit of slope on the inclines. Hey, man, I'm slipping and sliding. All right, we're going to go ahead and end this as these cats are moving in. Look out. Dump everything over here. Yeah, okay. So anyway, we're going to get the feeding and watering underway. I'm not seeing any deer out here. Yeah, blue jay just flew up right up in here. So they're getting ready to come in. But yeah, we're supposed to be going from this rain back into snow. And they're actually calling for heavy snow as far as the fallout. Well, should be coming down in clumps. Okay, that's what they're forecasting, or we're forecasting. Yeah, it's starting to rain a little bit heavier out here now. So I got to get this going. I might be able to see droplets on the branches. No, probably can't see because everything seems to be blurring out. Once again, you know, all that silver glare in the air. Okay, yeah, these guys are ready. And I do believe the birds and squirrels are as well. I'll be back. Alrighty, we are back. It is 8:30 a.m. Cats are fed and watered for the most part. And for as much as what blue jays were scoping on me, they are not coming up quite yet. We do have some birds that are sitting here waiting to venture down, as I did put out some more seed and peanuts. Squirrels have ventured off before I got out here, but once the cats decide to wander off, more than likely the other animals will begin to wander in. More cats coming up. And alright, we might have, first blue jay coming up since I've been out here. It's right up here right now. Probably coming down, oh, I don't know. Will it be to the stash spot or to the ground? And we are going to the stash spot. We've got two blue jays that are actually up in the tree that I'm seeing currently. That was one. Yeah, the other one's up here, yeah. And that looks like King. Is that King? No? Oh, up he flies. As, yeah. Yeah. They're moving in now. As well as some of the other birds. Such as the juncos. Got one right here. Now I tell you what, this there's a lot of moisture in the air right now, and it's, yeah, it's got quite the chill factor to it, just because of the amount of moisture. Oh yeah, we got a lot of them moving in. I got China down below me talking to me. Hey Jay, I think, well, it might be Jay. Oh wow, we've got massive amount of blue jays coming in. Of course, they might all appear to look the same to you guys, but, well, there are those that have identification marks that I put into place in order to tell the differences of them. And of course, the bonding has changed extremely since I've stopped doing the pancakes that I was making and putting onto the branch right here and all that good stuff. Oh yeah, now we're getting a little bit of talking kicking off. And China, here, go ahead girl. Oh, there you go. Alright, everybody's been wanting to eat out of the magic feeding bowl, so yeah, why not? Make them feel special. So, well, I believe I've captured enough nature content for this morning. Although, man, they are really coming in droves right now. Not quite wanting to attack what's down on the ground below. Jay, is that you, buddy? Oh, where'd you go? Yeah. That almost looked like king right there. Wow. One after another, they keep coming up. And it's just the peanuts that they're interested in, unlike the juncos here. Oh, there we go. Grabbing the peanuts. Yes, people, I enjoy this. But that enjoyment is coming to a conclusion. Oh yeah, they're flying all over the place. Yeah. They're all slowly coming in now. That's Jay right there. Right, Jay? I know you know your name. Huh? Oh, wait, no, that's... Oh, with the top knot like that, that's King, I think. I don't know, I'm getting so many coming up that once again having a hard time distinguishing one from the other, regardless of the identification marks. But, well, it's still coming up. Yeah, my fingers are slowly starting to freeze up. I'm surprised more cats have not come up to the table. See you later, China. She's like, okay, my feet are cold. What you doing there, huh? Yeah, that might, okay. Jay? That looks like Jay. That's the marking I'm looking for. And of course, hanging out like that, much more used to my presence, if you will. That's Jay. That's my little buddy there. Right, Jay? Huh? And yeah, and then this is King up here. You can see by his dunce cap on top of his head. Oh. Alright, this is going on long enough. I really need to end this and head on up, compile all these clips together, and go from there. More than likely, I will not be posting any further content today, as, well, no sky observations should be available, if you will. The weather is what it is, just yuck. And I've got enough nature content recorded now to put together quite a nifty little long video, if you will. All right. So, take care. Have yourselves a great one. And come on back and join me once again if you would. If not, no biggie. It's just YouTube. Take care. Have a great one. And thank you for watching.